Begin with 6 cups of semolina, 2 cups of bread flour, dry yeast, a pinch of salt. Optionally add black and green cumin, 1 cup of milk, and a drizzle of olive oil. Mix everything together until well blended. Add 2 cups of water and knead the dough for 7 to 10 minutes to achieve a soft, smooth ball, essential for developing gluten and ensuring a chewier texture. Cover the dough and allow it to rest for 30 minutes to let the yeast activate and the dough to double in size. I've had the oven at 700 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour, which is too hot for baking bread. Using a pizza peel, let's remove some coals to lower the temperature to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, the perfect heat for making bread, ensuring a crusty loaf with a soft interior. With the oven ready, I'm going to divide the dough into 6 equal pieces, but you can make 3 or 4 pieces instead. You can find the full recipe in the description box below. It doesn't have to be perfect, it'll be delicious either way. Take each chunk of dough and shape it into a flattened ball. Cover it all up and let them rest at room temperature for another 5 minutes. With all the preparations done, I'm going to make the first flatbread. I'll flour the surface and place the first dough ball on it. Using my hands, I'll start spreading it out into a circle. This isn't pizza, so I won't leave any dough for a crust around the edges. I'll keep spreading until the dough is as thick as I like. Then, I'll repeat this with all the other dough balls. For the final touch, poke small holes all over the dough surface. This releases steam during baking, preventing the bread from rising too much. Ensure the holes are evenly spread out for even baking. We'll place the dough straight into the oven. Approximately 5 minutes should be sufficient to achieve a golden brown crust. Time's up. Let's open the oven door and carefully remove our freshly baked bread. The air is filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread and cumin. Using the pizza peel, gently transfer each loaf onto the cutting board, where they await to be enjoyed with olive oil and some harissa sauce. These were some of the easiest flatbreads I've ever made.